have it, folks. 1970 Chevelle, 396, 4-speed, big block, ready for a new home. If you need financing, you will need 10% down with good credit. Scores start at about 650, go up to 780, 10% down. You can roll in your sales tax and your transportation if needed. For those of you who are 780 and higher, no money down options are available. You can text me and I'll give you that information. We have great payments. Rates start about 7-8%, and we have long-term financing to keep the payments affordable and low. If you need a delivery, text me your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.